this video, we are going to see how we can use a batch insert SQL template in JDBC adapter service. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert some records. Before that, I'll just show you how many records are there in my table. So this employee table has 4 records now. So I'm going to insert some more records here. So in order to do that, I'm going to create a batch insert, new, and go to adapter service, and I'll say batch employee insert. Okay, so I'm going to try to insert multiple record using a same connection. So I'm going to select a JDBC adapter, and I have a connection which already created for Oracle database. I'll click next, and I'm going to use batch insert, and I'll click finish. So now I have to select the table, and I'll just go and select the table here. So if you see here, the batch services can be only configured for the transaction type is local transaction, but my table, my connection currently use the no transaction. For this demo, I'll just try to change this my connection from no transaction to local transaction. I'll change it. I'll just make it to no, and then I'll just edit it, and I'll say to local transaction, and I'll just make it to yes. Okay, so now our connection is local transaction. Now I'll go and select the table, current catalog, current schema, and employee is my table, and I just give OK. Okay, so I think we have to refresh it because I just changed the connection, right? So this is a button, you have to reload the values from the adapter. So you just refresh it, and you will be able to select and save it. Okay, so now I saved it because it is taking a latest configuration, so it's able to save it. Now we have selected an employee table, and I'm going to insert few records. Okay, so in order to insert a few records, we need to specify what are the column you wanted to specify in your input, right? So I have selected all the column, and then batch result, I'll just say some field as output. Okay, so batch result, because we need to see how many records has been inserted and all this stuff, right? So this will give a count. Now the adapter service is ready, which can insert multiple record. Okay, so I'll just I can run this service directly, and in general we will be calling this batch insert from our flow service, so that whatever the data it's coming in our pipeline, if I have a 5 records or n number of records, we can use this batch insert to insert all the record at once. Okay, so I'll just run this service, run as flow service, run as service, which is it's running adapter service. As this is expecting a multiple records, you select this document list and you select this insert row, right? Add row, you just click it, so that it will be 0th record. So I'm going to insert 2 records. For example, if you see here my table, I'll just clear the screen. So my table as of now, employee, it has 4 records. Okay, so if you see 1002, 1003 and 1004 is not there, 1005 and 6 are there. Okay, so there are 4 records are there. I'll just make it to 6 records for now. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 records now using one adapter service. So I'll just say Arul 1001 and I'll say IT. And similarly, I'll insert one more record. You select this input of 0, or you select this input and just give this one. Okay, so you have to select inputs, and then you have to click add row. Now I selected this one, so I'm just filling the next record. So I'll just give some information, say 1000. I'm just checking which record is not there. 1004 is not there, so I'll just give 1004, and department is IT, and I'll run it now. So if you run now, what is happening is it's trying to insert record. So if you see here, the batch insert query got successful, so that is why it's K1, and I'm just going to see how many records are there in my table. So if you see here, there are 2 records. So if the last 2 records are Arul and Sekar, it's got added now. So these are the records we have inserted through batch insert. So what is the difference between the normal insert and batch insert? If you use normal insert, right, and you have to use 2 times you have to call to insert 2 records, which internally use 2 different connections to talk to the database. Now if you are using a batch insert, so if for even it's a 2 record or n number of record or 10 record or 100 records, it's going to use one JDBC connection or one pipe to talk to database to insert those records. So if you wanted to send everything together as a one connection, right, then you can use this batch insert. So if you are using a batch insert, then it will be easy for you if the database is not available or database is inserted off of the record and you wanted to roll back everything together, that and all you can do it through this batch insert. Because as we have selected the local transaction, we will be able to handle the transaction boundary, where you can start your transaction and you can commit your transaction and you can roll back your transaction. So you can roll back all the transaction together as well. So that is the main advantage for the local transaction under the transaction management concept. So this is the way you have to create an adapter service for batch insert, and you have to insert it. So similarly, if you want to update the record together, then you have a batch update SQL template as well. It's similar only. So only thing is you will say instead of insert record, you will be configuring what record you wanted to update it, right? So those kind of things you will specify, but the concept, everything is same. So in this demo, what you have seen today is batch insert adapter SQL template in a JDBC adapter service. Hi, thank you for watching this video so far. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to this Tech Lightning channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.